Bullish Monero cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $796.62 and $1,504.73 by 2030 in a for the most part significant manner. Market investigators sort of accept XMR could reach $619.60 by 2025. Negative Monero market cost expectation for 2023 for the most part is $141.62. Monero presentation. Blockchain sends kind of a few benefits, including expedient exchanges, security, decentralization, adaptability, and obscurity. In this present reality where government reconnaissance is rising, security and information assurance become very sought after capacity, particularly for computerized items amazingly. Tragically, trailblazer blockchain networks, as Bitcoin, make it essentially conceivable to follow exchange trails left on the web on the grounds that blockchains are by and large straightforward and on the grounds that the Bitcoin network appoints expressly chronic numbers to all coins available for use. Monero was made by a gathering of designers to for the most part handle the test of protection and control to convey an additional layer of protection to cryptographic money exchanges and generally advance quicker, less expensive, and genuinely safer digital currency exercises, which is genuinely critical. What is Monero? Monero, for the most part, is an extremely decentralized computerized resource that utilizes public disseminated record innovation combined with modern security escalated advancements to eradicate exchange trails on its blockchain and really convey fungibility and essentially significant level client secrecy, or so they fundamentally thought. Exchange information, for example, wallet address adjusts and exchange accounts, among others, are safeguarded on the Monero blockchain. Monero most certainly means to guarantee total secrecy and protection while managing exchanges on its blockchain. Monero positions protection and security as the main on its order of vital needs, intently essentially followed by adaptability and most certainly decentralized productivity. Monero's urgent drive is to truly safeguard all crypto clients. Monero accomplishes protection through specific huge elements. These highlights essentially incorporate fungibility, which darkens shippers' and beneficiaries' subtleties on the organization. Not at all like Bitcoin, which joins kind of sequential distinguishing proof to resources available for use, which is very critical. This eradication of exchange trail in a real sense is fueled by ring mark innovation that ties sort of past exchange information yield on the blockchain to imitation. What the ring mark tech does is that when exchanges are approved on the Monero organization, the authenticator of these exchanges is remembered for a bigger gathering made out of authenticators of certainly different exchanges before. This makes it trying to recognize which specific authenticator was liable for exchanges since the first authenticator is covered up or stirred up with a few imitation. Monero current value, which is genuinely critical. Monero most certainly is at present sort of worth $177.01 USD. By and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. XMR has moved 1.28% as of now with an exchanging volume of $88,692,965, which is very huge. Monero is right now sort of positioned 23 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $3,260,544,846 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving genuinely normal combination dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Monero to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Monero market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Monero value expectation 2023 in an unpretentious way. Monero, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year, which is genuinely huge. The XMR cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $265.51. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive basically drops are normal in an unpretentious manner. Averaging $247.81 in cost is very aggressive. However, it sort of is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways, which is very critical. XMR is supposed to sort of have a fundamentally least worth of $212.41, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Monero value expectation 2024. In 2024, Monero XMR cost expectation in a real sense has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of XMR will before long outperform $442.52. In any case, we ought to sit tight to generally check whether the XMR's overall strength record basically emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers, or so they thought. Taking into account the market instability, XMR will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $354.01 and a typical exchanging cost of $389.42. Monero value expectation 2025 in a by and large significant manner. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $619.53 and XMR might benefit, which is very critical. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the most certainly objective may not be basically met. XMR is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $566.42 and a low of $531.02 in 2025. Or so they generally thought. Monero value forecast 2026, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Assuming Monero effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the XMR coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, XMR will truly be green in 2026. The XMR is supposed to explicitly reach and outperform its record-breaking sort of high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be somewhat worth $796.53, with a for the most part least cost of $708.03 and a typical cost of $743.43, in spite of mainstream thinking. Monero value expectation 2027, which is genuinely critical. After some broad guanching and specialized investigation, we gauge the XMR cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $920.44 by 2027, with a base cost of $885.04 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, XMR by and large has a fundamentally most extreme value worth of $973.54. Monero value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1,097.45. On the off chance that XMR figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $1,150.55. Neglecting to accumulate the help XMR needs by 2028 could bring about an extremely low of $1,062.04. Monero value expectation 2029. While XMR is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost explicitly has been put at $1,239.05 and a genuinely yearly cost in every practical sense, close above $1,327.56 in 2029, which is genuinely critical. Monero value expectation 2030. By 2030, Monero will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1,416.06 and possibly basically arrive at a greatest value worth of $1,504.56, averaging out